Fluke Corporation is the world leader in the manufacture, distribution, and service of electronic test tools and software since its founding in 1948. Fluke has helped define and grow a unique technology market, providing testing and troubleshooting capabilities that have grown to mission-critical status in manufacturing and service industries. These can trigger a sequence of events that may lead to serious injury. This is why test equipment must be designed to protect people who work in this high-voltage, high-current environment. The Fluke ProcessMeter is a maintenance and calibration tool that will be at home in every instrumentation technician's toolbox. The Fluke ProcessMeter combines a digital multimeter and a loop calibrator in one rugged, handheld tool. For about what you would expect to pay for a loop calibrator alone. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. Based on the trusted Fluke 87DMM. The Fluke adds the ability to measure, source, and simulate DC loop current with 0.05% accuracy and 1 microamp resolution, with a 25% manual step plus auto step and auto ramp on Ma output. The Fluke has 1000 volt overload protection on voltage, ohms, frequency, and 150 volt overload protection on Ma, backed up by a 440 mA 1000 volts fuse. The Fluke features a clear LCD with a backlight and weighs less than 1 pound. The externally accessible battery is easy for battery changes. The ProcessMeter runs about 50 hours typical, 12 hours typical on one 9-volt alkaline battery. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. DMM and a loop calibrator in one rugged, handheld tool. It puts a complete solution for troubleshooting and calibrating current loop applications in the palm of your hand so you can get more information faster and easier. Number 2. 1000 volts overload protection on V, ohms, frequency, and 150 volts overload protection on Ma, backed up by a 440 mA 1000 volts fuse. Number 3. Runs about 50 hours typical, 12 hours typical on one 9 volts alkaline battery. Number 4. 25% manual step plus auto step and auto ramp on Ma output. Number 5. Simulate DC loop current with 0.05% accuracy and 1 microamp resolution. Number 6. Runs about 50 hours typical, 12 hours typical on one 9 volts alkaline battery. Number 7. Clear LCD with backlight. Number 8. What's in the box? AC70A alligator clips, C81Y protective yellow holster with flex stand, one 9 volts alkaline battery, quick reference guide, TL75 safety design test lead set, and so much more. Some common questions. Question number 1. Is there 0 to 10 volts output? Answer: no, this is only a loop calibrator. You could put a resistor in series with the loop output, which would give you a DC voltage across this resistor. Question number 2. I see from other questions that the meter is calibrated. Does it come with any kind of certificate? Answer: yes. The unit was recently calibrated and the certificate is included with the sale. Question number 3. Is this True-rms? Answer: yes. The Fluke 787 is a True-rms model. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.